Alright, here is Victoria. She has been hula hooping for 59 minutes and 24 seconds.
I can't make it to an hour. I can't make it to an hour.
You can do it. You can do it.
Going on YouTube.
Brother's here for support. Family's back here cheering her on. Woo!
Oh, Carmela, don't keep playing with the toy.
Alright, you got
Oh,
15 seconds.
Keep going. Keep going.
No, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop.
I'll count down when you get to 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You did an hour. It's been an hour. She's still going. Look, the clock doesn't even go past an hour. Now it's back to 10 seconds.
No.
Vicky, we gotta leave though. We gotta go pick up Adrian and we gotta go to Mickey D's.
Okay, we need an interview.
What?
How do you feel?
Going on YouTube.
Hurtful. Gotta take a seat. I don't think I can even stretch.
Okay, it's been an hour and 30 seconds. The clock doesn't go past an hour, so it's 30 seconds after the hour.
Hey, would you like
I'm on YouTube?
Sure, why not?
Hey, can my brother see Carmela's room?